Cool YouTube, it's your man OG Kicks, coming at you live from the Sneaker Stash in the DMV. And as promised, man, you know what I'm saying, the Kicks arrived today via UPS. Before we get into that, man, make sure you go check out the Ferrari 12 review, man. You see the head that came with the joints, you know what I'm saying. I will be wearing all black with it, the shirt and the shorts. But yeah, man, comment down below, man. I do a good job with the cap or what, man. Check it out. Got the little black joint up top. But yeah, man. Let's go back. Appreciate everybody who comment, like, subscribe, and check that video out. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate y'all. And we about to get into today's meat and potatoes, man. Yeah, this summer been nuts, man. I ain't got no knife. I have to try to open. There's some box, man, straight from Feature, man. And see, the only thing about ordering on Feature, I don't know about they do reward points or anything. So, UPS receipt. But yeah, the thing about I could have been got these off of from the mall. You know, I seen them sitting in Foot Locker, Snipes. A lot of stores had them just sitting, man. But there you go, your red Jumpman on the black box with the cement print on the bottom part. Did the colorway one time for y'all real quick. Got the Jordan 5 Retro OG white emerald grape, size 911, man. Personal pair, you know, resale down, aftermarket down on those. You been putting that little divider cardboard in there, black paper. They all messy, just thrown in there, man. The box seems a little roomy. You got a green and you got 2 green and white stickers. Like I said, man, straight from Feature. That's about it. You got a little sticker right there. Yeah, man. You got the flat leather joints. These bad boys is dope. Bye, man. The Jordan 5 grape. Starting with the outer, man. Got that icy bottom, the white with the what's that? The teal or emerald Jumpman with the black cap on the top of the toe. Your mid, man, you got white, the emerald, and then the grape. A little hit of black right there. On the upper, man, you got the emerald Nike Air, white, with the icy side panels, white laces. You got the translucent clear little lace lock with the black lace lock in there. You know what I'm saying? And then you got the grape and emerald on the tongue, man. Emerald on the inside. Got the Air Jordan upside down. Yeah. These things laced up tight. White paper. Loosen these bad boys up. Yeah, comment down below if you cop, man. Nice summer joints. Don't get too much better than this for the summer, man. Yeah, the emerald with the was that a grape Jumpman inside? Oh no, Nike Air. The great Nike Air on the inside, man. Man, these my size. I don't know, is this Dream Sale? It'd be a little nice comfort. You know what I'm saying? Nice padded little sock liner. But yeah, it's super clean, man. You know, must cop. You know what I'm saying? This the year, man. They dropping all the OG heat for everybody. Like I told my man the other day, man, this might be the last year for us. You know what I'm saying? Copping kicks, man. Because, I mean, I ain't probably gonna completely finish. Like those green ones been floating around. I'm like, it's kind of cool on those. They alright, but kind of cool on those bad boys. Those gray fours. Not too much, man. You know what I'm saying? I probably start getting into more of the regular, just other type of Nikes, like, you know, the Barry Sanders, Deion, Scotty, stuff like that. Cause after this year with the Jays, man, you got the Black Cat Forward. You got, I mean, you go back to my list, man. All the Jays I done caught this year. Jones I done slept on. I ain't really sleep on too much. But yeah, man, comment down below, man. And don't forget to check out Apart to Cry, whatever you want to call it. They got the socks to match with your Jordan 5 Aquas. You know what I'm saying? Kind of dope. My Outrank gear ain't come in yet. It's a dope shirt. The shirt is the color of the ice. It's like an icy shirt. Dude riding a motorcycle, man. It's a dope shirt. I seen a nice hat to go with these. It's white. We got the grapes on this grapes on this side with the years. I think it's championship years. I think dope blue. I seen that hat in Champs. A nice hat in Champs to go with the with these joints right here. So, but I got the one coming in the mail. I don't know. The one with the grapes on the side is kind of fly, man. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. Appreciate y'all for stopping through. Catch y'all on the next one, man. At your age, not your shoe size. Treat yourself, never cheat yourself. And yeah, just like that. What's coming up next? It's kind of slow this week. I don't know. The Aqua 8s. Yeah, Aqua 8s. So should be an easy cop, being as though these sitting on shelves. The 4 but it is a black shoe though. See, that's where, you know, the hood, you know, they come out for the black. You know what I'm saying? The all black. Because, like, the shoe like this, I mean, you can wear this to, like, a good, you know, Kings the Man. You ain't wearing this to no nightclub. You know what I'm saying? Even if it's a college night, come as you are type of club. Unless you in Miami somewhere, I can't see you in DMV rocking a white shoe like this to a club, to a go-go or whatever. But the black Aqua 8s, them bad boys is nice, man. That gray. That flint gray around the upper by the laces. Them bad boys is nice. So I don't know, man. So, but yeah, definitely going after them next on the hit list. And other than that, man, I see y'all then. At your age, not your shoe size. Treat yourself, never cheat yourself. And we out. Peace.